What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to book a trip on Uber. So once you're on the Uber app guys, just simple go ahead and go to home, and on the top there you have a where to. You can simple tap on that. It will basically detect your location if you have the Google services or location services turned on, and you will be able to see your location where you are here. Now where it says where to, you want to enter the location of where you want to go. So I'm gonna just say, let's put somewhere like Prague or so, for example. I'm gonna choose whatever location. So let's say I want to choose this location. I tap on it, and as you can see here, it currently just show me some location, and it shows me how long the taxi is gonna take to pick up. It gives me three options to choose from with different prices. And for the method of payment, you can choose if you want to pay by a card, Google Pay, or cash. As you can see here towards the bottom, it shows cash, but I can click on that and I can switch this to Google Pay, for example. Or if I want to add a card, I can tap on that, choose credit card, fill in my credit card details, and I'll be able to add the card there as well. So once you select the method of payment, guys, really you just need to click the X in the upper left hand side and click and choose. Once you click and choose, you will be able to have that transportation come to pick you up once it is ready to come for you guys. And once it is come, either it will confirm the payment if you choose a card, or if it's a cash, then you want to ensure that you have cash to pay the driver once you reach your destination. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.